guys.
Guest Star Daddy! Let's get started!
Alright, we just want to remind everyone that if you're going to do this challenge, make sure that you have a parent that is here to help.
Let's get started!
It's getting a little bit hot. It's getting a bit hot. Alright, so the hot knife is fired up now.
Alright, so we got our first item. A gummy bear.
Whoa! Wow! That is awesome! I don't think it's hot anymore.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Wow, that was pretty cool. Does anybody want some barbecue?
Ew, that's disgusting.
Barbecue gummy bear? No. That's disgusting. This literally looks
An
like
evil gummy bear.
It looks like something out of an alien movie or something.
Make sure you take out the batteries before you do the remote. Why, guys? You almost got away with that. Oh my goodness, look at him.
Oh, look, ew. That's so gross. Wow. Look at all the slime. Oh, look at Buzz. Poor Buzz.
Poor Buzz. He's all alone.
Okay. Oh man, Buzz does not have legs
Oh my
anymore.
goodness!
Thanks for watching, guys!
That was a fun video, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Buzz is mutilated.
Alright,
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more Onyx Adventure Fun.
bye!